Hello guys, today I'm gonna show on you to how to make button open or close button. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorial. First, insert screen GUI on starter GUI. Insert a frame to screen GUI. Customize your frame.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
Insert button in screen GUI. Customize it.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Visible your frame.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Insert local script in button.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon.
Script will be in desk.
Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Let's see if it's work. As you can see, it's work.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
If you enjoy the video, subscribe for more.